Hello there, good morning guys, good morning. So our topic for today is how to create a basic calculator using C++ programming and basic using if else conditions. So this is an example output of this activity. Now you have a menu, then if you press 1 you will go to addition, if you press 2 you will go to subtraction, press 3 to multiplication, and number 4 is division. So if you select 5 or not in the choice, so it will prompt that your choice is invalid. Let's go to the coding. So first of all, you will declare the sharp include the header files IOStream using namespace std, then int main. So this is the technique for you to include this, okay, brackets. So the variable we are using is, for example, int, because we will use int data type of a variable because we will capture input integer of the user. So that's why we declare int ch. So int ch, so this is the storage of the user input. Okay, let's create the menu. Menu cout, select operations. Okay. L colon, then so lazy boy, copy, then one addition, subtraction. Division. Okay, so let's save and build, then run. So this is the menu. This is the menu. Okay, so for us to store the user input or the selected integer, so we will use cin to store the input to the variable ch. Cin, small cn ch. Okay, so after this, so we will use the conditional statement if and else if for us to make the choices, to use the choices. So if ch is exactly equals to 1, so exactly equals, it is different for when you declare ch is equals to 1, because this initialization is you are giving the number 1 value to storing to the ch variable, but this ch is double equals or exactly equals, you are comparing the value of ch to 1, you are comparing. So okay, cout you select addition operation. Okay, and L. Okay, so if you press 1, then the value, then you compare this. So if the comparison is true, so the program will prompt you select addition operation. Otherwise, if it is not 1, else if ch is equals to 2, diba? 2 may gibutan dira, so cout copy subtraction operation. So if the value of ch is equals to 1 or equals to 2, the program will proceed to this, because the condition is false. The program will proceed to this else if. Okay, so create, we just copy this, then 3 multiplication operation. Okay, and copy 4 division. Okay, so if you press 5 or 6, which is not in the choices based on your menu, so you will use put else. else I forgot to put return 0. Else cout, select none of the choices. Okay, let's run this program. Okay, no errors, no warnings. Okay, so we press 3. Okay, you select multiplication operation. Okay, so additional, so we will use these choices to proceed to the operations. So we'll declare that here in the top int sum total, difference, and co. So as int variable and num1, num2. Okay, so cout enter first number, will ask the user to input the first number to add. Okay, just cin, then copy num1. Okay, semicolon, cout second number, cin num2. So after storing these two values to its variable num1 and num2, so you will insert the formula sum, which is declared in the top as int variable, is equals to num1 plus num2. So after this, you will print the variable. Okay, you will print. So cout the sum is %d tapos sum. Okay, let's try. Okay, cout no target initialization, you have errors, was not declared, num2. Okay, I forgot the semicolon. Okay, let's try the addition part. So we select addition, we press 1, enter the first number 4, the second number is 5. Okay, the sum is %d. Okay. I think I have a syntax error. So this is the error. Okay. Some. Okay. 1, 5, 3. Okay. Here, the sum is 8. Okay. Then let's copy this operation. Enter first number. Then difference is equals to num1 minus num2. Then difference. Then we'll just copy this. Sum total. Let's take product or prod is equals naman multiplied by the star sign. Okay. Then another is copy this again. Then go and divided by a. Then copy the. Okay, let's quotient the product, the sum, and the difference is the sum. Okay, let's save, then run the program. Oops. Close. Okay, let's select number 2. So the subtraction operation. Enter first number 10. So second number is 5. So the difference is 5. Okay. So another number 3. Enter first. So enter first number 4. 3. So the product is 12. Number 4. 9. 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, quotient is 3. Okay, that's all for today, guys. So if you like this video, so please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.